Alright everybody, so welcome back to the hobby room update. So today is September 11th and I've got this room, the part that I'm painting or working on now, as you can see across the top of the door all the way around over to that corner, the painting done on it. Took a couple coats, took longer than I expected, but what doesn't always not go to plan. I went ahead and painted the closet door today since I had the white out, and that took a while. And then up here where the ceiling is, the white doesn't quite perfectly match, but that's okay with me because you can kind of see where the semi-gloss or satin and the flat ceiling white, but I didn't want to buy a whole gallon of ceiling white just for that. So good enough. And I'm gonna be looking at the ceiling anyway, and this isn't the living room. So over here is where our new bench is going to be built, and that's out in the garage, that material. I'll start on that this week. This area over here is where that one 6-foot table was, or actually it was 5-footer, that I'm going to put back temporarily. Come on, camera. And I'm going to put it back temporarily, and then I got a whole bunch of stuff in the wife's dining room I got to get cleaned up before she gets back home. So you can see the difference in the old color and the new color. I grabbed a paint chip, went to Walmart to get some high quality paint mixed to match that, and then when I went to the grab and go aisle to get some white, and actually had some black there too, they had this blue-gray color, and lo and behold, I didn't know until right at that moment that's the color I wanted, because it was easy. So anyway, we're going to trudge on. Tomorrow I'm going to clean up some of this stuff around here, get the floor vacuumed, get this table put back, and get my stuff moved in. I've got a box with a compressor and a bunch of stuff, and I got a box with a paint booth in it, my new paint booth, that both go over here. Damn camera, what's wrong with the autofocus? And they're both just going to stay there until I'm done. I got to put a vent hole through the wall over in here to put the booth in, and then I'm going to, okay, so originally when I started this I had a shelf that went over this door, okay, and that was good for some finished things. You know, they went up high, you could see them and stuff, but I've been thinking about whether or not I'm going to put that back, or whether or not I'm going to go all the way across the wall at that height, because I've got a board to do it. So I got to contemplate that, because I want to put a couple of shelves above where the workbench would be on this side, for some finished things and for some supplies for my 3D printer, because this can go over in this corner and the computer will go down this way. And that's where we're at then. And then once I get that bench done, I'll get the computer transferred to it, and then my next bench will be up in this corner where that computer is, and I'll take all this stuff out, paint along that wall, and fix the picture and stuff. And I know that doesn't make sense, but why wouldn't just do this bench first? But these tables are like 30 or 31 inches wide, and the benches I'm building are only 24 inches wide. So what that's going to do is move this eventual bench and that bench closer to this wall. So I need that one done first so I can get the length of these two correct. And so that's why I'm not going to build this bench. I'm going to build that bench next. Alright, and as you can see, the place is just a disaster. There's not a lot of room to work. I'm going to be cleaning for days because I got fine dust from sanding drywall mud everywhere. So, alright. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll keep you updated. Oh, and I got to cut all these wires down too and cover that. Alright, talk to you later.